Chapter 8 Introduction to CorelDRAW X7 Magic Carpet CorelDRAW X7 Window Components Creating and saving a new file, changing the page size, orientation and background, inserting or deleting pages, drawing basic geometric figures, working with images, exiting CorelDRAW. In this chapter, we shall learn how to start CorelDRAW X7, the various tools and features provided by this graphic designing package. Corel Corporation developed and released a software program called CorelDRAW, a vector graphics editor. CorelDRAW is a complete design program that enhances our knowledge to create professional artwork from simple logo to cast technical presentation. The given steps should be followed for starting CorelDRAW X7. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Type CorelDRAW X7. Step 3. Click on CorelDRAW X7 Graphics Suite button from the search list. Step 4. The CorelDRAW X7 window will open. The following options are there in the Welcome to CorelDRAW dialog box. New blank document. It starts a new blank document with the default settings. Open recent. It is used to open recently used and saved files. Open other. It is used to open other saved file. New from template. It is used for making a new file using template. Learning tools. It is used to open video tutorials and Corel Tutor. What's new? It contains layout and text editing, design asserts, and workflow. CorelDRAW window components. Title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar in a window. It displays the title of the open document. There are 3 buttons on right-hand side of the bar: Minimize, Restore, and Close button. Menu bar. The area containing pull-down options and commands. Standard toolbar. A bar that contains shortcut to menu and other commands such as opening, saving, and printing. Property bar. A bar with commands that relate to the active tool or object. For example, when the text tool is active, the text property bar displays commands that create and edit text. Toolbox. Toolbox contains tools for creating and modifying objects in the drawing. Pick tool, text tool, shape tool, parallel dimension tool, crop tool, straight line connected tool, zoom tool, drop shadow tool, freehand tool, transparency tools, smart fill tool, rectangle tool, color eyedropper tool, ellipse tool, interactive fill tool, polygon tool, smart fill tool. Rulers. Horizontal and vertical rulers are used to determine the size and position of objects in a drawing. The horizontal ruler is located below the property bar and the vertical ruler is located on left side of the window. Work area. It is the place of the screen where you type text and draw figures. You can work anywhere in the work area, but objects are placed on the printable page. Color palette. A dockable bar that contains color swatches. It is used for selecting and applying colors to the images. Document navigator. An area that contains controls for moving between pages and adding pages. Status bar. An area at the bottom of the application window that contains information about object properties such as type, size, color, fill, and resolution. The status bar also shows the current mouse position. Scroll bar. They are used to scroll through the drawing window to see the part of a document that is outside the current viewing area. Creating and saving a new file. Follow the steps to create a new file and save it. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on the New option. You will find a new file as shown alongside. Step 3. Select the text tool from the toolbox. You will find a new file as shown alongside. Step 4. Now start typing the text. Step 5. Click on the File menu. Step 6. Select the Save option. Step 7. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Step 8. And click on the Save button. Changing the page size, orientation and background. Follow the given steps to change the page size, orientation and background. Step 1. Click on the Layout menu. Step 2. Select the Page Setup option. Step 3. Click on Radio button, Portrait or Landscape to change the orientation of the page. Step 4. Click the Page Size option on the left-hand side frame. You will notice that the contents of right-hand side box changes. Step 5. Click on the Paper drop-down arrow button to select the paper size. Step 6. Click on the Width and Height option to change the width and height of the page. Step 7. Click on the Background option on the left-hand side. Step 8. Click on the Solid drop-down color list and select the desired color for the background. Step 9. Click on the OK button. The background of your page will be changed. Inserting or deleting pages. Follow the steps to insert page into a document. Step 1. Click on the Layout menu. Step 2. Select the Insert Page option. Step 3. Click inside the Insert box and type the required number of pages you want to insert. Step 4. Click on the OK button. The page will be inserted in the document as shown. Follow the steps to delete page from a document. Step 1. Click on the Layout menu. Step 2. Select the Delete Page option from the layout. Step 3. Write the page number inside the Delete Page box which you want to delete. Step 4. Click on the OK button. Drawing basic geometric figures. CorelDRAW helps the user to draw some basic geometric figures. We shall learn to draw geometric figures. Drawing freehand line. Follow the steps to draw a freehand line. Step 1. Click on the freehand tool. Step 2. You will notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross with wavy line. Step 3. Place the mouse pointer on the page where you want to draw a line. Step 4. Click and drag and then release the mouse button. Working with images. Now we shall learn how to insert and reshape a figure using CorelDRAW X7. Follow the steps to import the image. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Select the Import option. Step 3. Select the image and click on the Import button. Place the cursor on the page where you want to insert the image and click once to insert. The image will be inserted on the page. Exiting CorelDRAW. Follow the steps to exit from the CorelDRAW. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Select the Exit option. Magic Scroll. CorelDRAW is a complete design program that enables us to create professional artwork. Property bar options are directly related to the drawing page. The vertical ruler is located on the left-hand side of the CorelDRAW application window. Work area is the place of the screen where you type text and draw figures. Color palette is used for selecting and applying color to images. Scroll bars are used to scroll through the drawing window to see the part of the document that is outside the current viewing area. A. Put a tick on the correct